Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to switch off this phone. In order to turn off the phone, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. Now we can see here that the Google Assistant here is activated. If you want to turn off the Google Assistant, just to use the power key button to activate the power off menu, you should click here to the settings application and scroll down to the system section. Then here click to the power button, and after that tap here to press and hold the power button and switch voice assistant to the power menu. After that, let's just press a couple of seconds just the power key, and we can see that the power off menu is activated. We can restart the device, and to power it off you just should click here once on the power off icon, and that's it. Now when the screen is dark, this means that our device is turned off. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.